There are flashing lights, so if you are prone to seizures, please leave. And if you would like to continue watching, this video will be lightly edited because it is a Let's Play.
Hey all you legends out there, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are going to be playing Wolves in the Walls. Let's go! Looks nice. No, I'm playing it. Oh, yeah, those are my hands.
Da 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 da. Ya da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
Whoa, this is weird. Hello.
Oh, I drew you kind of tall. Don't move.
Hi.
Now you're like me. Hello.
You call me short? You call me short? Okay, I'm pretty short in life. Why are you lying down? Would you want me to lie down? Okay.
I think Big Puppet likes you.
Where are we? What is this place?
You heard it too. You do, don't you?
Yeah.
You do. Nobody else believes me.
What was that? What was that? What's happening? Oh, whoa. Can I have my hands back? I want hands. I have no hands.
Here, listen.
I can't hear it. I mean, actually, I can. But what is
They're
it?
getting louder.
Well, what is it? Is it gonna kill us? Is it evil? Oh.
I've been hearing noises. Lots of noises. Coming from inside the walls. I-N-G.
Scratching.
They're everywhere, all the time, even at night. At first, I thought my brother was trying to scare me. He likes to do that. In Mom
Understandable.
and Dad, they say old houses make all kinds of noises. But these are different. Sneaking, creeping, scratching noises.
Ooh, creepy.
Run and hide noises. Cover your eyes noises. I'm glad you're here. Look, that's me.
Oh. She just integrated.
It started in the kitchen cupboard. I think they like Mom's jam.
Mom's jam. She got some nice jam, though.
In the dark corner of the den, Dad's music makes them crazy. And Pig Puppet was sure he saw something behind the painting in the living room.
Weird. A little bit creepy in my. Oh!
But up here, in the attic, the sounds were the loudest, especially in the dark.
There's drawings everywhere. Everywhere. Can I walk around? I want to explore. Spooky.
I've been finding clues. But now we can do it together.
Sick. I want to help out.
Nana said they live in packs. And she used to hear them when she was a little girl in Russia, hunting in the woods at night. They're nocturnal. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, give me my hands. I want hands.
That's one. Hold still,
Can I put
silly.
my hands up there?
And two.
Ah, you're there. Sick. Cat. Can I have it? I got it. Cool.
I think there's a few shots left.
Sick.
They're nocturnal. And when their tummies were empty, small animals would go missing. That's you. But on the night of the full moon, they would leave the forest and come close to the village where the people lived, sniffing the air for loneliness. Separation, Nana said, makes easy prey. Then they would circle
Dude, that
in,
hit the wall.
calling out to each other with their howls. Ow, ow, ow! So loud it sounded like they were inside the walls of her house. I think it's full moon tonight.
I took a photo by accident.
Did you get something?
No.
Let me see.
Okay. Oh, you want the camera? Oh. Oh, there's a photo coming out of
Is
the camera.
that what I think it is?
What is it? Let me see. I want to see. Let me see. Your feet. I know. Amazing. Feet. Feet. Wait,
You did it! You got proof!
that's not what I
You
took.
see that, right?
That's not the picture I took. But okay, I'll take it. Oh,
We finally got proof.
eyes? I think those are the light.
There are wolves in the walls.
No, there's not wolves in the walls.
We have to go show Mom. Mom! Mom! Mom, I think there are wolves in the walls.
It's time to label.
Ugh.
Food. Now, I'm hungry.
Label each start and stack them on the shelf.
Got it.
You think there's what in the walls here?
Wolves! There are wolves in the walls.
This again. Lucy, I have 23 orders to fill by Thursday.
That's a lot of wolves.
In my strawberry.
No. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Look, we have proof.
Did you take this picture?
Well, no.
Well, if you didn't take it, then who did? Did Pig Puppet take it?
No, he's a puppet. It was...
The jams.
Oh,
there.
never mind.
Lady, the jams, they kind of got eaten.
Keep going.
Okay, faster, faster. Yeah,
Did you see that?
yeah.
Lucy, be careful.
It's not me. It's the wolves. They're stealing the jam. Don't you hear that?
Lucy, it's probably just mice. Those filthy little creatures. I'm sure it's not wolves. Because we know what you said.
Oh my
Just
god.
who said?
Okay, down you go. It can't possibly be wolves because when the wolves come out of the walls, it's all over. Everybody knows that.
This is a very cool kitchen.
Down here. She thinks it's What do you think?
I think you're insane. Yo, they're good at playing music.
We're far behind. Our imagination is getting out of control. I'm starting to worry. It'll be a year soon. I don't know what to do.
Oh. It's okay. I drank it. It was ginger. Okay. Like this on top of yours. No. Put it on your head. Whoa, stairs.
That doesn't sound like mice to me.
Yeah, that ain't mice.
Over there, mark it.
Got it.
Whoa, this wall's kind of weird.
I want to draw. Look at that. Let's give him the nose.
That's too much. Mom's gonna get mad.
Oh, alright.
Lucy, what is that? How many times have I told you about writing on the walls? How many times have I told you?
Let's go find out.
Where are we going? We're going. We're out of here. Where are we? I want it. Oh, I want a light bulb. I can hit the light bulb. Oh, it broke.
Wolves. Don't worry, Pig. We'll protect you.
Yes, little piggy. What's that? Whoa, where are we?
He's got a big performance coming up.
This is your house? This isn't your house. Oh. Is this it? Whoa. Hi. Not in the face. Understandable. Whoa.
Lucy?
I'm here too.
Lucy.
I'm just part of our magic
Dad?
system.
We think there are wolves in the walls.
Exactly.
Who told you there were wolves in the walls?
I did.
Pig puppet?
No, but we heard them.
Has your brother been telling you scary stories? It's probably just rats. I'll call the exterminator in the morning. It can't be wolves. Because you know what they say. When the wolves come out of the walls, it's all over.
What's all over?
It. Everybody knows this.
Was it? I never knew this. Why didn't anyone tell me? Hey, wait. You're technically my mom because you made me. Why didn't you tell me? Whoa, you're walking on air. Can I ask him?
We need to keep you safe.
Some good jam.
2 whiskers from a mouse.
Oh, whoa.
Tail of a rat.
Oh, my jam. Put it in. Put the tail of the rat in. Oh, that's gross. Can I take a bite? It's pretty good. Here, you can have it.
The blood of a bat.
I want the blood of a bat.
That should keep their claws off you. Not the whole thing!
Everybody knows that. Leaf is insane. And the boss is like basically indestructible. He has 3 shields and then his little minions come out. Hey, protect the princess! And even if you survive all that, he's like only vulnerable for 2 seconds before his shields go back up.
Got it.
I know you used my cheat codes. There's no way you got that high score without working past 25.
Yeah.
Nice! Oh, I hit him. So cheap. Send lasers back. No way, I definitely pressed the button. Don't let them shoot you like that. You're letting them hit the princess.
Come on.
Come on, help me out here. I've never made it this far before. We're so close. Here they come.
What are you doing?
Duh, trying to beat Wave 5. Impossible.
Playing VR.
Oh, hey, why did you stop playing?
It wasn't me.
Well, then who was it? Pig Puppet or one of your imaginary friends?
Hey,
I was
I have
one.
real friends.
Yeah, sure, just as real as what's in the walls. Bats!
Do you think it's bats?
No, I think you are. Ha! Shh. Besides, it can't be wolves, Loopy. Because you know what
Don't
they
you
say.
hear that?
When the wolves
Listen.
come out of the walls, it's all
Stop
over.
playing that game
Everybody.
and listen.
No, Lucy, you listen for once. This story you're telling, it's all in your head. I don't believe you. And neither do Mom and Dad.
Oof. Oof. Ooh. I want the camera. Give me the camera. It's on my book. Oh, I need it away. Or the
You
wall.
believe me? Don't you?
No, I believe you. Because I've kind of been here with you, heard the noises, seen the jam disappear, picture fall off the wall, played VR, messed up the potion. Pretty good. Oh, that's chocolate before now.
Maybe it is in my head.
It's not. Oh, I'm in here.
Down that wretched game. I can't steal it all day. Would you please not assume that my can't learn nothing?
It's not me. Is that you? Yeah, you messed up my game.
Lucy, cut that noise!
It's not me! It's the wolf!
It's bats.
It's rats.
No, it's wolves.
And when the wolves come out of the walls, it's all over.
Lucy! Lucy! Lucy!
The wolf! He's not insane. That was. Woo, woo, woo. Oh. I was like, okay, stand here. Intermission. I would love to continue to the end. Love to do that, but love to continue to the end. It's going good. Going strong. It's a very good story. Wolf. Wolves. 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 Wolf. Okay. Can I go for a swim? Sounds pretty good right now. Oh, wait, what's that? Oh, it's the picture.
The wolves came out of the walls.
It's all over.
Oh! That actually scared me. No, I want it. There it goes. Whoa.
Remember when I started the company? Anne and I didn't leave that stove for a month. Oh, I loved that kitchen.
One day you show Lucy the secret ingredient.
Remember when we played Parcheesi every Sunday? Anna and I were unbeatable.
You have to let your father win every so often. Otherwise he wouldn't play.
I remember the first time I set foot in that house. Piano lessons twice a week. For years and years.
I want you to meet my daughter. Happy birthday, Lucy.
What should I name him?
All of it. Gone.
No, it's not. Why can't you see? It's all right there. That's our home. Everything we love is still in there, including Pig Puppet. We need to go back.
30. You know what? I'm gonna sit down for a minute.
Haven't you been keeping score? There are wolves in the house.
Lucy, we can't ever go back. When morning comes, we'll buy you a new pig puppet. One that's pink and not graying around the edges. Now, try to get some sleep.
Yo, I'm gonna get.
I don't want another pig puppet. I want my pig puppet.
Try to sleep. So that.
I'm going back. You'll come with me,
Got you.
won't you?
Yeah. I'll come with you. Let's do this. You want to come?
I knew you would.
Let's do this. What's that? Oh, can I have that? I want that. Oh, I got this one? Okay. Hey, there's my happy face.
Pig puppet was right here. Do you see him?
No. They took Pig Puppet. How could they? These cruel wolves. Oh, look, they actually have shadow effect. Pretty cool. Why do you get to walk around? I want to walk around. Happy face. There's something in there. And in there. Oh, yeah, leave. Why did I want to come in here? We're gonna get eaten. Oh, yeah, we're gonna eat. are everywhere, I agree.
But they're not on the walls anymore.
Did you just... Oh, that's weird. I'm not feeling okay.
They're still out there.
Oh, those are wolves. Oh, they see us, don't they? Shh. Oh, that's... We're in the claw. That's the window of the claw. We're inside the claw.
Let's go find Pig. He gets scared when he's by himself.
We got this.
Patushki.
Tushki? What does that mean? Oh. Oh. That's how they get everywhere in the house. This is weird. We go in? I want to go in. Let's go in.
You look.
Okay.
I'm worried the wolves are doing dreadful things to him. He's fragile. And Nana's not here to fix him.
Are we under the kitchen?
That's Dad's violin. How strange.
These ain't no normal wolves, baby. Yo, that wolf is really good at playing the violin.
I don't think Pig Puppet is in there.
I don't think he's in there either.
Ugh, I knew they were stealing the strawberry.
No one's here.
They don't seem
Oh, sorry.
that scary. They're like big, goofy dogs. Where are they taking all of our stuff?
Don't know. They have like a queen that they bow down to.
What's the jam attracted them? The whole house reeks of strawberries. Should help us.
You said must turn by new things, and when you're tired of the persons forest, maybe the wolves will be
Organist.
step into all the
Help me keep this closed!
I got it.
You're safe. Loopy, don't ever do that again.
You're here. How'd you find us?
It wasn't hard, Sherlock. Come on, Mom and Dad have been worried sick.
No, we still haven't found Pig Puppet.
Lucy, come on.
Oh no.
What in the world?
Your jam!
Your high scores.
We're second best tuba!
Ah, that's bright. That's really bright. Where are we? Do we got Pig Puppet? We're good?
Wolves come out of of the walls, it's all over. When the wolves come out of the walls, it's all over. When the wolves come out of the walls, it's all over. That's it. I'm going in.
Are you drawing a sword?
We go on 3.
1, 2. Maybe the kid should wait while you and I go.
What the heck is going on? Whoa. Excuse me. Let people. Pig puppet. Pig puppet. I want to draw. Okay, draw. I want to write my name. I'm gonna write my real name. Okay, terrible handwriting. Retry. Terrible handwriting. I don't care. You know what? Let's draw my logo. I'm doing terrible at this. I'm gonna make a circle. You're number 1. You're number 2. L, B. Good enough. Sorry, I kind of ruined your picture a bit. Oh, hey. Guess we have purple skin. Yo, looking epic. What you guys doing? One pickle. Oh, wait. Green. Wait, let me use green. Let me use green. Oh, God! Made that scare me so bad. Probably because I've been running from them for like this entire game. Can I draw on the table? No. Oh, crap. I want to draw. No, let me draw. Something fun. Is that the end? Done. Okay, while the outro is playing, just wanted to say, I would give this game about a 7, probably 8 out of 10. Really good storyline. Love the physics, but I wish there was like a little bit more like to do in the game. Like if the story was a bit longer. But also it is free. So since it's free, I'm gonna have to raise it up to probably a 9. Oh, I have to write my name? Okay. Let's see. Well, let's also put a happy face at the end. Remember. Good enough for me. And you, Lucy's friend, Elsie. Epic. But yeah, amazing game. I love the graph, like how it is. Got like that nice feel. I love how she makes us. Amazing story. Yeah, 9 out of 10. Free. You don't have it. If you have a VR and you don't own this yet, download it. Play it. It's good. Warning though, it does have a bit of a seizure like a thing in it. So if you are prone to seizures, don't really play. Besides that, it's an amazing story. Check it out, and let's just let the credits roll. But yeah, pretty good storyline. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe. Maybe while you're at it, hit the bell button for me. That'd be very nice. Let's see if we can get 5 subscribers in a span of a week. 1 week to get 6. No, wait, did I say 5? 5 or yeah, I'm gonna do 6. 6 subscribers. A whole week to get 6 subscribers. 1 subscriber a day, and we got this. But yeah, if you guys want to see more of me playing, you know, VR games, like and I keep clicking that by accident. Like and subscribe. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Engine, powered by Wise, and Saga Aftera, Fable Studio Inc. 2020. Cat, like I said, amazing story. Hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye, farewell, and catch y'all next time. Bye!